Okay, so first we're gonna start with the van itself. It's a 2000 Chevy Express Trailmaster, and I bought it for $5,000 off of Craigslist. Next is the Plasti Dip. The color you see here is actually a rubberized paint. We actually painted it with spray paint cans. And so that cost was a total of $80. Now let's go inside. Okay, so before you come inside, we gotta take our shoes off. Okay, so first we're going to go over the biggest items, the ones that everyone will have to get. So the kitchen, we built ourselves out of a thrift store cabinet. So the cabinet we got for $40. And we put our own knobs on these. They're whale knobs. These came out to $26. Okay, and the paint and brushes to paint this came out to $5. Then we have this fake wood backdrop for the kitchen here. That was $20. Our sink over here was $40 from IKEA. And then we have some water tanks under here. They came out to $10, also from IKEA. And then we had tubing and some glue and different things under here to build the sink, and that came out to another $15. Okay, next down here, under this rug here, we put in this wood. So we put in this laminate fake wood flooring, and that flooring came out to around $80. So next we have the curtains up here, and the curtains you see all around the car. And so for the curtains and the rods and everything, it came out to about $50. Okay, so the next big ticket item, which I highly recommend but you don't have to do, is the solar. We have 3 100-watt solar panels on the roof and an inverter over here and a battery, and the whole cost for that came out to around $1,200. These solar panels are from Renogy. They're great. So over here we have a mini fridge. This mini fridge was around $75. This vintage cooler here, which we love. I got this at a thrift store for $5. Next we'll go behind us over here to the bed. So we built the bed frame out of plywood. We got 2 large plywood sheets from Home Depot, and those came out to $13 each. One for the top and then one to make the walls and the front.
All right, so next we have our plates and our bowls. I got them from Target. The bowls, we have 2 bowls, they're $5 each. And then we have 2 of these little salad plates and 2 dinner plates, and they're around $5 to $8. We have a French press that my mom gave me, so it was free. So in this drawer, we have silverware, or goldware, as Alex likes to call it. Huh? And they're, I think, about $2 to $3 each. Up here, we have a little basket we got from Hobby Lobby. I think it was around $5 or $6. This colander here, it's from IKEA. This was $10. This little basket thing is also from Hobby Lobby, and I think it was around $3. And we also have these little hooks that we also got from Hobby Lobby, and I think they're about $3 each. So we have this one, this other one here, and then this white one for bananas. Okay, and this American flag here was from the Treasure Island Fleet in San Francisco. It was $10. All right, so these are Alexander's boxes for his clothes. They're $10 each. And then these are mine. I got them from Walmart. I think they're about $5 each. Over here we have our Reflectix. We bought a huge roll of it for $25, and that's what we use all throughout our van. And we also put it over our windows at night. For our bed, this has been my blanket forever, so I don't know how much that cost.
Whoa.
But we bought a mattress, a foam mattress from IKEA, and I think that was about $50 or so. And on top of it, we have a mattress topper that's memory foam that I've had forever, but I think it costs about $400.
What? And we have this induction burner that we cook on, and it was about $15. This is a dollar store broom, so it's $1. Our corkboard United States, priceless. And for everything else, there's the boyfriend's MasterCard.
No. So all throughout the van we have string lights and they're about $10.
All right, now let's take you to the back. Okay, so for our toilet, we have this bucket which costs us probably about $4. And then we have this toilet seat on here, which is called the Luggable Loo, and it cost me about $12, I think, 12 or 14. And last but not least, we have this magnet from Vistaprint, $32. Okay, so that was a quick breakdown of the costs of our van conversion. We haven't actually done the math yet, but before you see this video, we will. So the total cost comes to this. So that's the cost. So we have a full van tour video, which I will link here. So if you want to check that out, we go into more detail about the full tour. It's not just about the prices. It's more interesting than this one, I think. So take a look at that. Please like this video if you liked it, share it, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you in the next video.